Hey everyone, welcome to this mountain bike skills tutorial channel with me, Emily Horridge. Using all my knowledge and experience built up over the last 25 years of mountain biking, I'll be covering everything from the obvious stuff like bunny hops and jumping to the more subtle skills such as braking and cornering. If you're looking for no nonsense, to the point mountain bike skills videos, then hit that subscribe button right now. I promise you won't be disappointed. Now I'll be honest, the timing of the channel launch hasn't been great with lockdown, but rest assured we'll be moving out of the garden as soon as possible to show you how to put these skills into practice on the trails. Let me tell you a little bit about me. I started off like most kids riding around the local woods and discovered downhill racing in the late 90s. I've raced all over the UK and at many European World Cup downhills. I love to race and go fast even though I didn't really know what I was doing and I definitely didn't have any idea about how to train. All the same, I often found myself on the podium in the UK and in the World Cups my best ever result was 12th at Vigo in 2007. I've also dabbled in a little bit of Enduro World Series racing, a little bit of 4-cross and some BMX over the years. Nowadays I live in the French Alps and I run a mountain bike holiday business called the Inside Line MTB and I'm a professional mountain bike guide. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe for your regular dose of mountain bike skills tutorials with me, Emily Horridge. Thanks and see you out there soon.